Hey guys, welcome back. In this video we're going to go through vertical analysis. So I'm using the same Tyson food data that I used in the previous video where we talked about horizontal analysis. And the idea behind vertical analysis is you kind of want to put all the financial statement items in some standardized format so you can compare across companies and across years. So for example, in the income statement, I'm going to want to state all of these line items as a percentage of total revenue. Okay, so let's do this for 2020, 2019, 2018, and 2017. And we're going to say 2020 is going to be equal to 2020 divided by 2020, right? And we'll just put this in percentage terms. And let's see what this looks like when we carry it down. And so I want to change this to that. Alright, so we're going to say, make this an absolute reference, right? We're going to add dollar signs in here. And let's change this formula as well. And actually, I want to copy this across the columns, so I'm going to take the absolute reference off of column B. Right? So I'm just going to take the B off, and I'm going to say, all right, that's what we want. Okay. So now I'm just going to copy this formula. We're going to apply it everywhere. Put it here, put it there, put it there. Okay. And so now we know. For example, gross profit is 12.5% of total revenue. So that's a, we're talking about a poultry company, so I don't know what gross profit normally is for these types of companies, but it looks like they have small margins. 12.5% gross profit. Selling, general, and administrative expenses eat up another 5.5% of revenues, and it looks like they pick up some actually, this is all, it looks like maybe they pick up some tax benefits here, and they end up somewhere around 4.8% net income. So net income, the revenue is about 4.8%. Okay, so when it's all said and done, that's what they have left over in net income after they pay all their expenses. So we can do this, we can take these formulas and just carry them across, and so now if we did this correctly, we should be pulling from the appropriate years. So we have 2019 here, 2018, 2017, so we're good. It looks like their gross margin has bounced around a little bit. Back in 2017, they were at 13.2. They dropped down to 12.7, down to 11.8. It looks like they rebounded a little bit here in 2020. SG&A has been pretty consistent across the years, and interest expense looks like that's been relatively consistent, somewhere around 1%. And so this is, this is vertical analysis. We're going to state everything here in terms of revenue. We're going to do it for every year, and then we can look at these percentages across the years to see what's changed. All right, well, this concludes the video on vertical analyses, and I'll talk to you soon.